Hello everyone, so how to share a Zoom whiteboard in Zoom meeting. So basically here you can see I'm in the Zoom meeting, and then you can just tap share screen, and here you have an option to just select whiteboard and then click share. And then you will have a whiteboard. So you have all this, like I can draw stuff, I can write the text here, I can select format, like I can use eraser, I can use spotlight, so I can undo and redo all that stuff, and I can also save to my images this whiteboard. So yeah, that's basically it. So that's how you share a Zoom whiteboard on Mac.